Hello everybody, Dan here with Feldmann Imports, and we are back with another vehicle walk-around tour. Today we've got a 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior, as you can see here, and we've got a black interior with some really nice red accent stitching. I'll show you here in just a sec. So in today's video, very similar to many of our other walkthrough videos, if you watched any of those, just kind of a brief overview, just showing you some of the features on the exterior, some of the features on the interior, and then if you want a more in-depth walkthrough, if you have any specific questions or you even want to set up a test drive, we would love to chat with you. You can always reach us at feldmanimports.com. So blind spot assist there. Saw some of the badging and some of the cosmetic exterior features we showed you there. Now we're gonna take a look at the inside, starting with this nice red accent trim you'll find throughout the vehicle. Also got this dark wood grain accent trim. Heated power memory seats. So you got your door and window controls. Trunk back down there. Let's look at our driver's seat here. You can see that really nice accent stitching. Just gives it a really nice sporty look. The CLA style seats you can see here. Just a very sporty sedan here. We've got our steering wheel here, which is a heated steering wheel, which I'm definitely a big fan of here in Minnesota. It's a pretty chilly day today, so definitely making sure to turn that bad boy on. And okay, hopping inside, mileage about 12,298 currently. We do have a push button ignition. And let's take a look at our steering wheel to start. So I'm a big fan of the physical options here, just my personal preference here. But so you've got your volume controls, Bluetooth and telephone options there for accepting or declining a call. And then you've got your touchpad here for controlling your display. So you can press the home button there, and then that'll access all the different apps. And then I'm just using this sliding back and forth. And then if I want to actually select something, say we want to take a look at our radio, just push in on that button and bingo, we're there. And then pressing the back button brings us back, and so on. So this is a touch screen, so of course we can use it as a touch screen as well. So for example, if you want to adjust your ambient lighting throughout the vehicle, we've got all kinds of different options. You can choose single colors here, switch that up to a nice blue. We've got multicolor effects, which is super fun. You can really just kind of make it your own. You've got LEDs, lights in your fans, on the dash, the doors, down below, kind of all over. So yeah, just a very fun way to kind of customize and make it feel your own. Okay, back to our steering wheel. So that's kind of the right side here. The left side, similar setup on top. So this actually will control your driver interface here. So I just hit the home button there. And then again, same sort of touchpad. You can slide left and right and then push in to select. So for example, if you were using navigation, you want to keep track of your mileage, or quickly change radio stations, you can just flip up and down on your little touchpad here to switch stations, which is super helpful. Below that, you've got your cruise control settings here. Behind that, we've got some paddle shifters. You've got your wiper controls and turn signal, paddle shifter again, and then our Mercedes steering wheel. Our Mercedes shifter. Let's try that. Okay, so you'll flip up to go into reverse, which then also activates your backup camera. And flip down for drive, and push in for park. Okay, so below our display, below the vents, we've got our physical climate control buttons here. So you got your driver and passenger temperature controls. You've got a menu, so you can click that, and that'll bring up your menu right up here on the display. So again, you can use it as the touch screen or using the steering wheel controls. And you also have a third option with this touchpad right down here on your center console. So all kinds of other climate-related options there. And then you do have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone, USB connection, power adapter, cup holders. That touchpad I just kind of showed you there briefly. You also have your dynamic select button here. So pressing up or down, you can switch between the different performance modes. which affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. And then you can customize your own individual setting as you'd like. You also have some quick access buttons to quickly access, telephone, radio, navigation, and vehicle settings as well. Okie doke. Go ahead and turn it off. Let's go ahead and take a look at our rear seats here next. So again, nice sporty red accent stitching on all of your doors, on all of your seats. Sunroof up there in the front. And let's go ahead and take one more quick peek back up front. All right, coming around to the rear, we've got our CLA 250 Mercedes-Benz 4MATIC badging. You've got your power opening trunk there. Trunk space. Let's see if I can show you this very well. See, there we go. A little tricky to see, but you can see this little door right here. That's actually where your backup camera lives. So it always stays covered. You can see there's a little water because it just came out the car wash. But because of that little door there, that actually make sure you have a nice crystal clear view out your backup camera, regardless of the weather, if it's raining out or anything like that, or it just came out of a car wash. Always crystal clear in your backup camera, which is a very nice feature that Mercedes does for you. So once again, this is the 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA 250. If you're interested in learning more, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.